What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And what are we going to be talking today is the best penny stocks or stocks that are under $5. I have three on this list. This is the first one is ADMA. We're going to be talking about a great picks. Okay, I'm going to start straight from this. I'm going to be giving you a technical analysis. Now, obviously, we're going to be talking about why do I believe all of these are great picks, and let's just get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to go as I said with ADMA, or Adma Biologics. I guess that's how you pronounce the name. This is the weekly time frame and this is the monthly. We can clearly see that this thing is in the game from quite a while, from 2013 even. And even we have a lot of data on this chart, even like when it's one candle like represents 1 month. We can see that for the past what 13 actually 243 days. I was about to say 13 months. Well, basically, it was something close about that. 3 bars or around 8 months. We have been bullish. Now, I'm gonna go straight to the weekly, and I know some people are gonna be like, "Oh, they're not okay. Their retention is not that great, and they're gonna just click off the video." I think that you should about to say because I'm gonna be talking some like real stuff right here, and some people are gonna be not agreeing with me, but we're gonna be keeping it. Okay. First of all, we understand we're in this beautiful uptrend. We should also be aware of the fact that we are also reaching some supply areas in there. But I still genuinely believe that we are going to be reaching some type of like $3 mark or some stuff like that, even here, even like $4 before we ever consider some bearish movements one more time. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Like nothing in here is a financial advice. I'm gonna keep that in here, just like that. This is just my own perspective. And where I believe that this thing is gonna go for right now is gonna be obviously to the upside. As you can see, we're beautiful. Like this, you can see these beautiful movements to the upside. Like I genuinely believe we're gonna move something like this, or we could fall down in some demand area, like right here, for example, something like that, and then continue to the upside. And now this is the first target, obviously. Now you could easily anticipate for this to go higher and like anticipate for this to reach like prices like I am talking about all-time high. But although like we're gonna keep in mind that we're in this downtrend, yeah, we're aiming for some supply areas for right now. But yeah, that's about it for right now. Beautiful uptrend. We can talk about also the moving average that we have right here. I believe that the 200 moving average is like we're easily above that even on the daily time frame. Even right here, I believe this is the 9, but we don't care about that. We care about the 200 moving average, and even on the daily. Okay, yeah, simply moving to the upside. Beautiful momentum from this stock. That's about it for today. Have a wonderful day. Peace out and goodbye. That's about it for today. Obviously for ADMA. Now we're going straight to the second one. We have CNCE or Concert Pharmaceuticals. That said, what are we looking at? The second one is the following. Obviously, I was about to close the video. Why? Because I'm just so used to talking about stocks like for one and then all this stuff. On the higher time frame, we understand we're in this bigger, like super downtrend. Obviously, this is just from a technical standpoint of view. I'm not any type of financial advisor. Do not get me wrong. What I have seen is, yeah, bigger movements to the downside. It doesn't mean that we could not anticipate to take this higher into some supplies, for example, like right this inefficiency. But I'm gonna, yeah, also keep in mind like this whole thing. Also keep in mind this is the weekly, monthly. We don't have even 200 candles there. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the daily. From the daily, what we can see is beautiful momentum being built up, and we're beautifully like moving above the moving average right here. And what am I gonna be looking for is somewhere around this. Okay, something like this. So clearly we broke above there. Now we have left this type of demand area in here. So what I believe we're doing is gonna be liquidating this. Now again, this may not be the time right now to go ahead and like purchase this, but once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not advising anybody to buy nothing. This is just my own perspective, obviously. And I'm gonna be waiting for something like this, movements to the opposite. But although that we're in this downtrend, we could easily just fall down. So yeah, you should keep an eye on that. I just absolutely love how this is moving above the average. That's about it for today's second stock, and let's just go for the third one. With the third one, look at this thing, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Vicky BKEP, or Blue Knight Energy Partners LP. Yeah, beautiful stuff, okay? Beautiful, beautiful stuff. But it was not so beautiful long ago. Like we just broke above here, and it just like the stocks with this type of momentum just more so like going to continue to go higher and deliver its own things, right? Now, what I'm looking at this right now is obviously like we broke above here, but the most recent break was right here, okay? Right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking at this range too right here, the supply area there. Now this could easily just continue to move to the upside, but if we have this movement to the downside, yeah, we're looking for upside movements from there on. And I'm looking for a genuine sample like this or just straight up continuation right here for this penny stock to actually how it is actually supposed to move. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is about my thoughts about BKEP, BKAEP. Or and this is the monthly. Let me just go to the daily one real quick. Yeah, there was a lot of data. I was not even aware of it. Yeah, we're simply still moving higher. Like we're still pretty bullish price action. I'm waiting for something like this. If we don't do that, like I'm not even going to be like so concerned about this because we could just be falling down additionally to right here to fill this in imbalance. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my picks from a technical standpoint of view. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.